Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Ankr network, Ankr conference. So what's the reason behind the falls of Ankr conference? As you know, a lot of people personally message me on this, that why Ankr network falls down from yesterday friends. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now friends, let's see the price prediction chart of the SIA coin. But first of all, we look the current price of SIA coin. As you can see here on the screen, 0.173478 USD dollar is the current price of Ankr network. And if we look the prices, okay, so the last 1 hour and last 1 day, 7 day change as in the positive, last 1 hour, last 7 days per change positive, and only the last 1 day price change, yesterday price change as negative. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart after day Ankr coin friends. As you can see here, would fast occur in an Ankr coin, but I think it's a less fast as compared to the Cardano, as compared to the XRP Dogecoin. It is a less fast occur in the Ankr coin, so don't worry about this. And if you look the current condition of the Ankr coin, so currently I think it's time to take a move upward friends. As you can see here, now they take a jumping friends. Now if we look the prices occur in the Ankr coin, negative 2.1% change occur in the Ankr coin, and the highest price is about 0.180753 USD dollar is the highest price of Ankr coin friends. So what's the reason behind that, why they fast down in this chart friends? As you know, the reason is that as you know, today is the 4th May 2021. That is why they fast down by the reason by the starting of new month. But as you know, in the starting of new month, every cryptocurrencies fast down, same like XRP, Ripple, Cardano, a lot of cryptocurrencies fast down. So same like that, Ankr coin also fast down. So the reason is that by the starting of new month, that is why they fast down. So what's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.